Here's how to do picture in picture in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is my first video footage. Now I'll add another video using picture in picture. So let's drag a video and put above this video footage. So this will be my picture in picture video. Once the video added, double click on the video. Now you can resize the video. You can also change the video position just like this. And now if you want to make picture in picture video circle, then go to effects. Under effects you have to search here circle and add the circle effect above the picture in picture video. Now here blending mode, select stencil alpha, and here we can see the radius box. So you have to increase this radius value. I'm adding 500%. And then to make this picture in picture video bigger, go to scale, and using this scale value you can easily make the video large or small. So that's how you can actually do it. Here is the final result.